Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, children. Subject English, 5th standard, question paper pattern. Today I will explain you. Before going that, first you have to see in your English textbook, there are 16 content units are there. In that 16 units, I completed for you 8 units. These are your Essay 1 portions. For first 3 units I completed FA1, remaining 4 I completed FA2, and then 1 I completed for SA1 exam before. Total 8 units. Along with that, classwork, grammar note and textbook exercise also you have to practice. See children, SA1 school is giving the papers for write. You have to inform your parents to collect from school. Those who are unable, they can write your own sheet, answer sheet papers at home. But when you come to school, if inform to teacher, they will put the seal, school seal in your papers. Now, next I am going to explain you the question paper patterns for Essay 1 or Summative Assessment 1 examination. So let's get started. The question paper pattern explain. So there are 4 sections. I hope you can see in FA2 papers A, B, C and D. Don't mix and write children. A part write after B part write after C, then you go to D. A, B, C and D. Marks 50. Children, your handwriting and neatness will carry your marks. Read the question paper carefully. All information can understand. Unit 1 to 8, classwork, grammar note and textbook you have to practice. Very short time, so I can't revision going for you. Just I am giving the introduction about the question paper pattern. It is useful for you to write the exam. Match the following. Match the following children. You have to match. How to match? Don't draw the line. It's not look nice. It is confuse happen. So first you write left side the question number. Next that beside only you have to which one is correct answer, that one only write beside of that question. Suppose question number 1, there only find out that answer and write there only 1, 2 like that only. Don't put the number and write questions and match. Okay. Next, true false. Many students are doing mistake for spelling, true false spelling. They are writing cross and tick sign. Your marks will be deducted. Full spelling have to write true, TRUE, or false, FALSE. Spelling there only question you can get. No need to confuse. Next, answer the following questions. 1, 2 or 3 sentences questions are there. Already you learned for FA1, FA2. Only one lessons just I added for you. All you practice well children. Read the textbook carefully so you can get the answer writing easily. Punctuation marks. Many students are confused about punctuation marks. This is in your exercise textbook exercise only you can get comma, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark. I send the grammar part. There only you can get where have to write the exclamation mark. In bridge course video also I sent. You can see once that one. You can get the idea. Next, chosen the verb and change the tense. Verb parts of speech, verb, action words. That action words change the tense. Which tense belong that one? This one also you can get in your lesson. Next, articles a, an or the. Where you use a, an or the have to practice. Suppose for example dash bag, a bag, dash owl, an owl, dash moon. the moon. So these are the examples for a, an or the. These are called articles. This video also a bridge course I send. You can see, watch means can understand. Poem is very important. Memorize poem. Memorize with poet name, spelling and punctuation mark. Where have to write which punctuation mark. Simply don't write the poem and don't practice also. Next, paragraph writing. Paragraph writing I will give you. This is yours. Improve your skill and vocabulary. It is your own. So I am giving the introduction for you. Paragraph 5 sentences about. For example, I am giving about, write a paragraph about cow. Cow is a domestic animal. Cow gives us milk. Cow has 4 legs, 2 ears. Cow is very useful for us and we can get milk from cow. Cow, we are pray to cow like our goddess, etc. So like that only you have to write the paragraph. Next, letter writing. Letter writing also I practice. I send the photos to you. I hope you practice that one. And try to write yourself, children. Don't take the help from parents. And handwriting should be neat. One main, after leave one line and draw the line, go to next main. Don't make together and don't make one section wise. Have to try to write the answer. A section, B section I mentioned. Don't mix and write here and there. If you forget to write means just to mention the section. It is marks will not deduct for you. Okay children? Handwriting should be neat. Practice well at home. All lessons I send to you, photos or links, and this link also I will send you. Watch properly, listen properly and practice at home well. So these are the question paper pattern for Essay 1 examination. I hope you all can practice at home for exam. So all the best children.